Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you one more chord in second inversion, that is 4C to 1. In the previous videos, we have mentioned about 1C and 5C. Only 1C, 5C, and 4C are used in the tonal period. Cadential 6/4 is the 1C to 5. 1C is a decoration of 5. I have a video called 1C 5 Song. You can refer to that. Passing 6/4 refers to 1 5C 1B. That is, the 5C act as a passing chord between 1 and 1B. Or 1C act as a passing 6/4 between 4 and 4B. Now we look at auxiliary 6/4. That is a 4C to decorate 1, or using the 4C in between two repeated tonic. Here is an example of 4C to 1 in F major. First of all, we have a plagal cadence, 4 to 1, B flat, D, F to F, A, C. If we have a long tonic in the bass or repeated tonic in the soprano, then we can decorate the final tonic with 4C. That is, insert the 4C between the two long tonics. So here we have the F again, then the B flat and the D. So it's still a B flat chord, B flat, D, F. Next example is in G minor. We have a repeated tonic at the end, also after a plagal cadence. Then we insert the 4C between two repeated tonic. We can also observe that tonic repeated in the soprano. So I believe you understand what is 4C to 1, and you can use it at the end of a phrase with a long tonic or repeated tonic. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful or interesting, please subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.